Introducing the Common Rail Diesel Injection System Educational Trainer. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up and operate the trainer, as well as explain its basic working principles. Step 1. Connecting the trainer. This trainer consists of two main parts that must be connected. First, connect the diesel injection unit to the main management training board. Take the cable from the injection unit and connect it to the bottom of the main training board. The connector has locking handles. Ensure the plug is fully inserted and locked in place. After making the connection, plug the trainer into a power source. Step 2. Powering on the trainer. Before starting, ensure the safety stop button is not engaged. Next, press the on button to power up the trainer. A yellow indicator light will turn on, confirming that the trainer is enabled. Step 3. Starting the system. To start the system, use the ignition key. The first key position is off. The second position turns the ignition on. This powers up the entire stand, activates the relays, illuminates the digital display, and initiates the glow plugs. To launch the trainer, turn the key and gradually increase the simulated engine RPM. Set the desired RPM using the control. Typically, start at idle speed. The RPM will be shown on the digital display. After setting the RPM, the injection system will begin operating immediately. You can observe its functioning on the display and monitor how the system responds. Now, let us review the main components of the Common Rail Diesel Injection System Educational Trainer. The diesel injection unit includes the main electrical box, which supplies power to the entire system. Next to the electrical box is the electric motor, which drives the high-pressure diesel pump. Beside the pump, you will find the diesel fuel filter. Above, you can see the complete fuel distribution system, including fuel return lines leading back to the tank. Injector measuring cylinders with a handle to open or close the valve, used to measure the amount of fuel injected during a specific engine cycle. There are measuring cylinders designed to collect and measure fuel returned from each diesel injector. If measurement is not needed, you can open the valves to allow fuel to return directly to the tank. The unit also features 4 common rail injectors, each equipped with a measurement coil for detailed analysis. Moving to the management stand, you will see a group of relays that simulate key engine components, such as the main ECU relay and the cooling fan relay and else. Below the relay group is the glow plug control unit. Next to this unit is the airflow simulation fan, which works together with the air mass sensor and air temperature sensor. In the center, the trainer displays the full engine electrical diagram, equipped with banana plugs for fault simulation and measurement. The original engine code is also marked on this diagram for reference. The management stand includes a digital voltmeter for monitoring various parameters. The current setting is on B31, which measures the voltage of the fuel temperature sensor. If we switch to B24, we can now see the voltage from the engine coolant temperature sensor. This sensor allows simulation, meaning we can increase or decrease the coolant temperature and observe the voltage changes in real time. As the coolant temperature rises, We can also observe how additional cooling fan relays are activated. Next, B149 measures the exhaust gas recirculation potentiometer sensor. By manually opening or closing the valve, we can see live voltage changes. There are many more parameters available for hands-on testing and learning. And a digital screen for displaying engine RPM. Below, you will find a schematic of the common rail injection system and its components. The trainer is fitted with an accelerator pedal, allowing you to set and adjust the engine RPM as required. There is also a group of glow plugs with indicator lights to show when they are active. Key additional features include the EGR valve, intake air control valve, and turbocharger wastegate control valve. At the center, you will see a working scheme of the engine, including a camshaft speed regulator for simulating engine RPM. The trainer also includes air pressure and temperature sensors, the main engine ECU, fuses, and an OBD diagnostic connector for measurements. Finally, there are 3 simulation wheels that allow you to manually change specific sensor parameters for training and testing purposes. Sensor B30 simulates mass airflow. B24 simulates engine coolant temperature, and B105 simulates turbocharger boost pressure.